I was in one of the buildings and I noticed that strange smell after I washed my hands, and I was like, what is this? And then where does the BioSoap come from? Also, I know Loyola sells Biodiesel. Where did that come from? Who makes that?
In order to answer the question, who makes Loyola's green soap and where do they make it, I headed over to the Institute of Environmental Sustainability to check out the Biodiesel lab. So to find out what BioSoap is, let's first answer the question, what is biodiesel? It starts with used vegetable oil from the cafeterias on campus, but then it gets a little more scientific.
So we'll take that oil molecule and we basically want to split it in half. It looks something like this. We want to isolate these hydrocarbon chains, these 3 hydrocarbon chains, to be used as fuel. That's the biodiesel fuel portion that we use in all of our shuttle buses.
What you're left with is glycerin, the byproduct of biodiesel.
Glycerin ends up getting separated from the oil, and we can use that glycerin to make soap by adding other chemicals that we use in the initial biodiesel process, such as potassium hydroxide.
And what about the name?
And it's BioSoap because it is a lot more environmentally friendly than your conventional kind of industrially produced hand soap.
Now that we know more about the process, you're probably curious to know what else goes on in the lab. The workers are currently experimenting with different aspects of the soap. From the smell to the thickness, they're working on making an even better product. Not a fan of the brown color?
Well, it actually starts off as a black product, so the fact that we're getting it lighter in color, we think that's pretty great. But we're not going to be artificially dyeing it.
So, there you have it. That's how Loyola's BioSoap is made. For Stay Green Chicago, I'm Samantha Sartori.